Hello my dear friends, welcome to JJ Academy YouTube channel. Now let's start our first practical, how to create a database, how to create a new database in Access. So let's start. First of all, you need to click here window key and type ACC Access. As you can see here, the icon of Access, we are using here Access 2013. Just click on it. Now as you can see here, the name of the database is database1, and here this is the path of your database, where your database is actually going to store. The default location will be always C drive. You can change it by clicking here. Suppose if I want to change it and store it in my D drive, and give the name of your database, for example studDB, that is student database. Click OK. Here I have changed the location path, that is in a D drive, and as you can see the file extension is .accdb, that is Access database file. In the previous version it was MDB, that was Microsoft database file, but now in a new version it is accdb, that is Access database file. Now click here create. Now you can see in a D drive our stud database is created. Now here you can see the icon table 1. First of all, you need to right click on it, click design view. Now let's create a student table first of all. So let me give a name student, click OK. Now let's define the field name for this student table. The first field we are going to make is RNO, that is roll number, and set is a. And now when you are creating a field name, you must have to apply any data type. We'll discuss later what is data type. Now for here apply auto number, that means that roll number will be incremented by 1 every time, or here you can put set it as a number. Now as you can see here, the key icon which is known as a primary key, that means what? Roll number cannot be repeat. Now let me put the next field stud name, that is name of the students, and the data type for that will be short text. Now the next one is class. Again let me keep a data type as short text. Now press Ctrl S. So your student table is created. Now you can click on the student table to see the number of records inside this table. So just double click on this icon, and as you can see right now there is a 0 records. So now let's enter the record with it. Roll number 1. Let me give a name of student. Let me put another name. Now see, if I am trying to repeat this roll number again, then see what will happen. When you will press enter, see, you will receive an error message like the changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create a duplicate value. That means what? You already entered roll number 2, so you cannot enter roll number 2 again. This happens due to the primary key, so you must have to change it as a 3. So here your student table is created. Now you can press Ctrl S. So here student database is ready with table student. Okay, you can say that there is a database named studDB. Inside this database there is a table student. Now suppose if you want to create one more table, then for that go to the create. Now as you can see the option here, table. Again table 1 is done. Again right click, design, give the name of the table, suppose result, press OK. Again the first field would be always roll number. Let me put a number. Again there is a key, primary key, that you can set it by using a right click. You can see here the icon primary key. It is removed. If you want to apply primary key, again right click, primary key. Now marks of subject 1, number, marks of subject 2, again number. Now press Ctrl S. This table is saved. Right click. You can close this table by right click on it, close. Now here as you can see we have created two tables, student and result. So here as we have learned how to create a database and how to create a table inside the Access. I hope you understand it. Thanks for watching.